Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing minimal essentials. Make sure your microphone is connected and Windows 11 is updated enough for built-in voice typing. Enable microphone access in Settings Privacy Microphone and allow apps to use it. Once done, place the cursor in any text field and press Win+H to open the voice typing toolbar. You'll see a microphone button. Click it or press Win+H again to toggle listening. This gets you into an active dictation state right now. Now you move into productive dictation. Use spoken punctuation, say period, comma, question mark, or new line to control sentence flow. That's faster than pausing. Open the toolbar settings to enable auto-punctuation and text suggestions so Windows handles commas and capitalization for you. Speak in short, clear phrases. If recognition errors, say the word, pause, then repeat or edit with the keyboard. Make sure your microphone gain isn't too high, because background noise reduces. To finish, stop the listener with Win+H and read your text aloud while scanning for homophones and capitalization mistakes. You want a quick quality pass. Use keyboard shortcuts to navigate and correct, and save or send once clean. If dictation is inaccurate, troubleshoot by checking microphone selection in sound settings, updating audio drivers, and confirming privacy microphone is enabled. As a quick fix, reduce background noise or switch to a headset mic. This often restores reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.